Welcome to the AACFB's 2022 Meet the Funder/Associate webinar series. My name is Monica Harper. I'm the Executive Director for the AACFB, and our presenter today is Christina Clarkson from instaCOVER. instaCOVER is both an associate member and a gold sponsor of the AACFB, and I'd like to thank them for their support of the association. Before I introduce instaCOVER, I'd like to go over a few items to make this webinar more enjoyable and informative for everyone. During the presentation, you should see a Q&A box that allows you to ask questions. If you have any questions during the presentation, please submit your questions in the box and they will be answered by the end of the webinar. The entire webinar shouldn't last more than about 30 to 45 minutes. For those of you who'd like to go and review this webinar at a later date, it will be posted on the 2022 Meet the Funder Associate page of the website, and it will be emailed out to the AACFB membership. At this time, I'll turn it over to Christina. It is all yours.
Thank you, Monica. I want to say thank you for joining me today. My name is Christina Clarkson. I'm the Business Development Manager here at instaCOVER. I've been with the company for about 4 years now. We're located in Kirkland, Washington, just across the lake from Seattle. Today, we're going to go over what instaCOVER does, as well as a quick walkthrough of our platform. So instaCOVER was founded in 2005. We are a licensed insurance agency and technology company that provides industry-leading point-of-sale insurance solutions to the commercial equipment, healthcare, heavy equipment, and other markets. We take pride in our partnership with our carrier, Great American Insurance Company, who has been rated A for excellent or higher by AM Best Company for over 100 years. We can assist manufacturers, financial institutions, distributors, brokers, and lessees with the following list of equipment. So we cover automotive, construction equipment, yellow iron, restaurant equipment, office equipment, agricultural, medical, including med spa, dental and veterinary, and we also do DR detectors in the medical industry, manufacturer and production equipment, audiovisual, titled trucks. We have a few exclusions, which would include logging. We offer an open peril policy that covers all physical damage unless that policy or that peril is specifically excluded. So listed here are some of our most common covered perils, including employee theft, flood, windstorm, hail, tornado. We want to note here that mechanical breakdown can be offered on both our machine tools and our printing equipment for an additional fee. We have many benefits to be able to offer this coverage to our customers. A few of the top ones being we can expedite the funding process. instaCOVER provides the only web accessible cloud solution through our instaCOVER Quote and Insure platform that instantly insures assets with physical damage and liability coverage at the point of sale. At no cost to our brokers and funders, instaCOVER expedites and simplifies the funding process, reducing administrative, documentation, and funding costs. We offer superior coverage. instaCOVER partners can instantly increase value to their customers with comprehensive insurance pricing and fixed premiums for the entire length of their lease term, so no need for renewals. And we provide fee income to our broker and funder partners through our unique instaCOVER incentive program. Our marketing partners can earn with each customer they sign up for our insurance program while we do the billing and collecting and the insurance verification. Here you'll see our admin fee breakdown. Depending on the amount of the monthly insurance premium, the fees are paid as follows. Anything under $38 a month is paid out in a one-time lump sum payment. Note that if coverage is canceled before that original lease term, a prorated share of that lump sum payment is deducted from that next fee payment that we pay out. Premiums over $38 a month are paid in either $8, $10, or $12 a month increments, and those fees are earned every month and paid quarterly. This chart lays out an example of how our marketing fees can add up over time. As you can see, we have an average equipment cost of around $40 and an average monthly insurance cost of around $47 a month for this example. We would pay a fee of $8 a month. Added up over the term of that lease, that comes out to about $384. So as you can see below, once you begin compounding that over multiple leases, these fees can really add up. We provide advice and support. Our relationship management team has worked with hundreds of leasing brokers and funders, help them successfully integrate insurance into their businesses. With technology, our web-based platform simplifies the process for quoting and enrolling customers, making it easy to expand your business with a new source of revenue. We offer training. We will train your team to use the platform and coach them on how to most effectively quote and present the coverage to your customers. And then we do the billing and collecting. So we take care of all the billing and collecting. Once that policy has been accepted by the customer, you're done, except for opening that quarterly marketing fee check. And special note, we now offer an option for receiving that check via direct deposit as well. We'll now go through a quick walkthrough of our platform. You'll log into our platform and choose our new quote option to generate a quote. There are only a few pieces of information that we need. First will be the asset type. There's a drop-down menu listing different asset classes we have available. You'll notice if you hover over the asset type, the list of examples will pop up. And this is helpful in case you're ever unsure of where to put something. If the equipment type is not listed, use your best judgment on the closest asset type, or simply email or give us a call. We'd be happy to point you in the right direction. Next, you'll put in an asset description, serial number, if available at that time, and asset value. And then something to note is you'll want that serial number over once it's available, as it's used to validate in the event of a claim. So if that serial number is not present, you have a claim that may be denied for that reason. In the event you have more than one asset, you have the ease of adding multiple assets if need be. Once you've entered all your assets, you'll choose the red box at the bottom of the screen labeled Get Quote. The next screen will appear, laying out the pricing details. The box you choose to highlight on what will appear, or the box you choose to highlight is what will appear on the quote form to your customers. So if you only click on the monthly option, that's all they'll see on the quote form. Best practice is to choose all those boxes, the payment frequency of monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, and annual options. With our annual option, we offer a percentage-based discount. So that discount will show up on your quote form to your customer. Most asset types are will have two pricing options: property only, or the property and single interest vicarious liability. That liability coverage provides coverage to the funder only in the event that they require that insurance. It meets their requirements, but does not provide any coverage to your customer. So that's the difference there. And then from here, you can either save, email, or print the quote at the bottom of the screen. Once you've entered the customer's information and you are either saving, emailing, you'll hit save. That red box will say email if you want to email it straight to your customer, and that form will go out to them. Here's an example of what our quote form looks like. As you'll see, you have the information you entered for the asset description, value, as well as the pricing options. And as you go further down the page, there's a place for the customer's billing information should they choose to move forward with that coverage. Once you have a customer wanting to purchase coverage, you'll log back into your home screen, choose the Action tab on the far right side, and the tab allows you to quickly purchase coverage without having to click through several pages. From this page, you can edit the assets or edit pricing. As you can see next to the arrows on the right, you will fill in the customer's address and contact information along with the term of financing and funder information towards the bottom. If you ever run across a funder that's not noted in that drop-down menu, you can shoot us an email and we can get that added for you in just a couple minutes. All we need to have is the name and address as they want to be listed on the CON. The last screen you'll come to is our billing screen. Simply choose the billing frequency, monthly, quarterly, annual, etc., and choose how the customer would like to pay, whether that be credit or debit card, invoice, ACH. Quick note that the invoice option will only pop up if you choose a quarterly or longer billing option. We don't bill via invoice monthly. And then lastly, you'll hit complete purchase. Once you've purchased the coverage, the platform will bring you to the following screen. You can immediately go in and print the certificate of insurance. So there is a print document link located in the green bar on the top, or you can choose the available actions on the right side located by that blue arrow. Either one will take you to the next screen. And the Accord form instantly populates for you to either print or save to PDF and include in your doc package. A few other products I want to mention is for those who hold your own paper. We have a funder program in which our coverage can be used as a forced place option when the customer either fails to provide their own coverage or that coverage cancels for any reason. With that program also comes an option for aggregate billing. And then we've recently added a loss damage waiver program for rental houses looking for coverage for their equipment while it's out on rental. This program is available in both the construction and the audiovisual markets. And then lastly, here is my contact information. Feel free to reach out, whichever method is easiest for you. And I look forward to hearing from you and hope to see you at a conference.
Great. And just as a reminder, if anybody has any questions, please type those in the Q&A box and we will get them answered. I'll give them just a minute to type any questions. And obviously, I'm sure Christina will be happy to answer any questions offline if you come up with something.
Of course.
All right, I'm not seeing any questions. All right, well, since there's no questions, we will wrap things up. A big thanks to all the participants and especially our valued associate member and gold sponsor, instaCOVER. Thank you for a great job. We will look forward to having everyone again at next year's Meet the Funder webinar, and we invite everyone to meet with instaCOVER in person at our annual conference next year in May. We will be in Portland, Oregon, which is right in their backyard.
It is, just down the street.
All right, well, thank you, and have a great day, everyone.
Thanks, Monica.